Hi teacher, this is my work of intonation workshop. Okay. Word stress in English pronunciation and syllable stress lesson. A syllables is a word part created by vowel sound. Not all syllables in English words are pronounced with the same strength, and the correct strength can change the meaning of a word, as in the pairs present noun and present verb. If the word has only one syllable, that will be the stressed one. If it has more than one of them will be louder, clearer, and more pronounced uh, than the others. For example, perfect, stress on the first syllables. Beautiful, stress on the first syllables. Ridiculous, stress on the second syllables. Enthusiastic, stress on the fourth syllables. There is not universal rule for knowing which syllables is stressed in all words. However, when looking up a word in dictionary, the phonetic transcription indicate the stressed syllable with special symbols. You can also listen to the pronunciation in an online dictionary. Pronouncing the stress on the word syllables can cause confusion. Learning to emphasize the right syllables helps you sound more natural, clear, and confident in English, as well as making it easier to understand and emphasize what you say. Okay, thank you, teacher.